not brought one evidence against our prime minister. And the reason why I'm repeating this is because of this our daddy. He's always on my platform, asking me questions every single day about our prime minister. Yes, good morning, dear friends. Just a quick one. Please, there is this our father that asked me a question, and that is what I am here to answer. Our father said, I don't want to mention his name, he knows himself, but I hope this message will find you well. Asked me, please, you keep telling us that Simon Ekpa will be coming out soon. We missed him so much. We love him. We need him back. Our people are really dying. When is he coming out? I can't wait to see him. Daddy, the truth remains that the Nigerian terrorist government wrote a petition against him, including other parts of the world. There are some countries in EU that also supported Nigeria by writing those letters and submitted it to their parliament. Now, inviting our prime minister for questioning, and Nigerian terrorist government said that our prime minister is a terrorist, is financing terrorism in Nigeria and all whatnot. So these allegations were weighty allegations over our prime minister. Now what happened was that the removal of our prime minister is to investigate whatever Nigerian government has brought to the Finnish authority. So up to today, the Nigerian terrorist government has not brought one evidence against our prime minister. And the reason why I'm repeating this is because of this our daddy. He's always on my platform asking me questions every single day about our prime minister. So now all these weighty allegations that they brought, they have not been able to prove one or to present any evidence to back up their claim. And up to today, our prime minister has not been found guilty. Now, the case of our prime minister, in order for him not to tamper with any evidence, that's why they restricted him completely, so that both the people that are calling for our prime minister's arrest and our prime minister detention, our prime minister removal, so that all of them would not have any reason to call the Finnish authority again. So as we speak today, our prime minister is doing wonderfully well. The Finnish authority has given the Nigerian terrorist government dates and time to present evidence. Daddy, that is why you see the Nigerian government quickly brought out some names, brought out Simon Ekpa's name and 17 other people that doesn't have anything to do with terrorist financing. They said our prime minister is financing terrorism in Nigeria and all whatnot. Number one, Daddy, our prime minister does not have bank accounts in Nigeria. Our prime minister does not have any assets in Nigeria. Our prime minister has no business doing any transaction in Nigeria. So, because the Nigerian terrorist government does not have any evidence to present to the Finnish authority and to the other part of European Union and ICC, where they have been sued for months now and they have not been able to attend there, what they are doing now is to shop for evidence, anything that they can lay their hand on to bring down our prime minister. Today, they have not gotten any. So, and I keep telling the Nigerian terrorist government, I hope that message has gotten to you and you understand what I have said. If you don't understand, please still comment under my comment section and I will explain more to you, because you are an elderly man. I know what you want for yourself. So, I keep telling the Nigerian terrorist government, you see the kidnap of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, will dissolve Nigeria totally. It will destroy Nigeria. You are trying to find a way, to label us a terrorist, to bring down Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You have kidnapped what you cannot deal with. And that is why your kidnap has given birth to kidnapping in the whole of the Southeast and in the whole of Nigeria. No, everybody is being kidnapped today because you are the father of kidnap. You kidnapped our leader. And Tinubu should know that we will fight Nigeria with everything we've got. You see this kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the continued illegal detention of this our leader would destroy Nigeria completely. I'm telling you the truth. It's not a joke. So many people come here to ask us questions, to ask me questions, which I will never answer you. because you have an illegitimate governor. Amufu killing. Oh, that people are dying in Enugu. People are, listen, tell your governors, our country is just 3 months old, okay? Our country is just 3 months old. Go and tell your illegitimate governor that, you know, you were shouting when Simon Ekpa was defending you that, oh, Simon Ekpa is the problem of the Southeast. Simon Ekpa is the problem of Nigeria. Now, Daddy, I might even say that it is good what is happening now, so that our people will appreciate their own. You know, they say a priest is not always appreciated in his father's house. So now it is good what is happening, so that you will test a little bit of what our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has been shielding us from. You will test that thing that Mazi Simon Ekpa has been shielding us from. Now you can see, nobody is defending the Igbos now. This terrorist government has brought their terrorist soldiers, terrorist police, terrorist Fulanis to come and, you know, analyze our people left and right. And none of the governors is talking about it. None of the governors has given press a brief about it. But when Mazi Simon Ekpa was defending you people were quick to shout, oh, Ekpa is destroying the Southeast. They will destroy you. They will label it on IPOB. They will send killers to come and kill people. They will label it on IPOB. Today, what is happening? What is happening? Where are all these animals that were shouting Simon Ekpa, Simon Ekpa? Where are they? Mmadubugo, where are you? Ejiofor, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, where are you? Animals everywhere, terrorists everywhere. Today you are shouting, oh, Rabbi, please come, our people are dying. What do you want her to do? So that you people will not set her up again. For those of you who have not been following Madam Ngozi Orabueze, our Deputy Prime Minister, Her Excellency, please do so. That is the only government we have in this USB. Biafra has been redeclared and Biafra has come to stay. No one of you can bring us down again. If you think we are stupid, you think Biafrans that we have today are people that are not smart. If you crosses our path, believe you me, we are going to crush you. Anybody that becomes an impediment to the restoration and to the full restoration of this struggle will completely be destroyed. We don't care who you are. It is not when, our people rises up to defend their people. That is where you call us a terrorist. And we have welcomed it. You see, that terrorist you called us. Don't worry. We will carry it out on you. You know, we gave you 60 days. The days are counting down. The last day, you will see how twisted we can be. Biafrans, our Prime Minister is coming. Very, very soon, I mean. And the Nigerians know that. The terrorist Nigerian government knows that. That is why you see them scouting for, evidences, scouting for, whatever they can use to send to Finland. Because up to today, they have not sent one document that contains any reasonable offense to the Finnish authority. And that is what we're going to use against them. Nigerian government is going down every day, and we will bring Tinubu's administration down. Sheyi Tinubu was sitting with Gumi the other day. None of you said anything about it. If he was an Igbo man, the whole media will carry it. And media are the biggest terrorists we have in Nigeria. Medias in Nigeria are all terrorists. All this killing in Enugu, Anambra, Imo, Owerri, none of you is carrying it because we are Igbos. We know. So that's why we need our country to be fully recognized by every world, by the whole world. Thank you, Biafrans. May God bless you all. Daddy, please, if you have not been following Madam Ngozi Orabueze, please go and do so. She will be the one that you can come and ask questions. She will put you right. Thank you. But in 2 months from now, something different will start. 2 months from now, something different will start. Thank you, Biafrans, for giving me this opportunity to talk to you once again. God bless you all.
Tell me now, who are the Fulanis terrorists to invade Yoruba land and start killing Yoruba people? If not because of one Nigeria. This is Okocha Happy Marcel. Good evening, everyone. All right, today is Tuesday, March 11, and this protest happened today. And as I do ask a lot of people questions, when is all these things going to end? This is Yoruba land. 20 people were killed yesterday. Today, 7 people were adopted, the same state. So these people have right to protest the way they are protesting. This is not acceptable at all. Look at the kind of penury people are going through. Now, if you ask every average Nigerian, what is the solution to this? They will tell you that it's just the separation of this country. Tell me now, who are the Fulanis terrorists to invade Yoruba land and start killing Yoruba people? It's not, if not because of one Nigeria. The earlier you people realize this is better. Every day I am here telling you because of posterity's sake. Internet never forget. Next 50 years, your children will remind you, either you are a father or you are a mother, they will remind you of dad or mom. Why didn't you speak out? Why didn't you advocate for us to leave this entity? Because I wonder the kind of life you are living for your children. I wonder the kind of destiny you are living for your children. Now, because some places, okay, because some people have not been affected, their mother has not been killed, their brother has not been killed, and they think that, oh, everything is okay, let's just be managing, let's just be pushing. Anyway, it is going to be a lot of, bad days ahead. Now, it is breaking that protests erupt in Akure after kidnappers adopt 9 surveyors in Ondo State. I want to use this article to really expatiate what really transpired so that you will get the full taste of this news. Kidnappers suspected to be Fulani terrorists have adopted 9 surveyors in Ondo State in a fresh wave of kidnapping rocking the region. This development has sparked protests as demonstrators storm Akure, the Ondo State capital. The adoption reportedly took place at Owode Indu Abo in Akure South local government area. The victims, all surveyors, are said to be native of Akure. Carrying black cars, protesting women block the popular Oba Adesina Road in Akure, demanding action from authorities. According to The Nation, Comfort Afolabi, a sister of one of the kidnapped victims, revealed that the 9 surveyors were adopted last week. She further stated the kidnappers had demanded 50 million before they would begin negotiations for their release. She added that the kidnappers have now placed the ransom at 100 million before they will release their victims. Kidnappings have been on the rise in Ondo State. Last week, a farmer and his manager were adopted while returning from their farm in Oba in the area. Sahara Reporters previously reported that no fewer than 20 people were reportedly killed after bandits invaded and sacked 4 communities in the Akure North local government area of Ondo State. The affected communities, which include Aba Andajido, Aba Sunday, Aba Pastor, and Ademekun, were attacked on Sunday midnight, forcing residents to flee for safety. Sources had suggested the death toll could be much higher, with one resident claiming that over 40 people may have been killed, while many others remain missing. The attack started last Monday, but the most severe assault happened on Friday night. The bandits struck while the people were asleep, opening fire indiscriminately. Many ran into the bush, while some were not lucky, the residents recounted. He added, security forces arrived on Sunday and recovered some bodies, but many are still missing. If they search further, more corpses will likely be found in the bush. The Ondo State Police Public Relations Officer Fumi Adonlami confirmed the attack, stating that an investigation had been launched and officers had been deployed to restore order. The matter was reported on Saturday that Aba Pastor community was attacked. The command immediately swung into action to ensure normalcy and to track down the perpetrators, she said. The regent of Ademoku community, Princess Adenowo Adekemi Sonda, revealed that 14 people were killed in her community alone. This is what is happening in Yoruba land. Let me know what you think on the comment section. I am Okocha Happy Marcel.
Now they were demanding for 100 million. We were even negotiating with them that they should please. We only have 10 million, they said no. So they make a week if they were kidnapped. Please, we are here now to show our interest. Please, we have governors, we have Abbas. We don't know we don't know what to do. The man in the street that they kidnapped this man, the man is on the hospital now. He's being hospitalized. Please, we are begging. Let Akura people help us. Let Akura people help us. Please.
obìnrin Àkúrẹ́ ẹ̀bẹ̀ wa bẹ̀bẹ̀ ẹ ṣàánú o bàbá tó dànù sínú ọ̀run hospital ló wà ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa jáde ẹ bá wa bẹ̀ wọ́n kó tú wọn sílẹ̀ ọkùnrin mẹ́sàn-án wọ́n ní ìyàwó wọ́n bímọ àfi 50 million bẹ̀bẹ̀ wọ́n ní wọn wọ́n lọ́dọ̀ mílíọ̀n mẹ́kù ní ìlú àbò wọ́n ti kó wọn òṣìṣẹ́ sọ̀fíà ni wọ́n o abẹ̀bẹ̀ o ẹ ṣàánú abiyamọ ẹ ṣàánú o bàbá ẹ̀ka ẹ ṣàánú o wọ́n ti wọlé sí wọn lára o ìjọba ràn wá lọ́wọ́ o àwọn èèyàn wà bọ̀ lọ́nà ẹ ṣàánú o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ abẹ̀bẹ̀ lórúkọ abiyamọ ìjọba jáde sí wa. Ilé láti ká sí màálù ibẹ̀ yìí. Etí kùn ọ́ bí? Etí kùn ọ́? Akọ etí kùn ọ́ bí? Bàbá yìí.
End of the day, you see, they will kill people unnecessarily. See, every day, kill. You see, forget that this same Ondo, it was the creature of Ojukwu. So it's their base, it's their headquarters, and there they relax. So the government, see, Akeredolu was a turn to their flesh. At the end, the president, you know, say the president man there. Yeah. Fulani are bastard human beings. They wicked, they get wicked. See, if we wake up our eye, we will close and bang, they will finish us with the Sarah. They could change them for them. See, Nigeria can live a pass of those. Nigeria will have fame. The fame will wicked. See, we be lying on me, I be lying on you, be lying on God. Say, you keep God command. Because Nigeria too like God. That's why Nigeria they play every day. God go answer us. At the end, they are killing us. But one day we'll say, no, enough is enough. And that day is coming. Go and mark it 2027. Nigeria will revolt, say no. Now, we don't see your 4 years. You punish us. Punish her. Punish me. You punish us. So why will you come again and punish us? Then Nigeria will not split it. Because Nigeria will split. They watch the film. Oh, bless you for that question. When you say the youth are right, the youth are totally 100 above percent right. See, they are see, now you can't wait for any government. Government is responsible of those massacres. See, when you say, where is government? Where were they when they came? At this spirit, they disappear content. See, when we are saying Fulani, it's time we do away with them. See, but the government is not sincere. See, I give kudos to those youths. Don't wait for any government. When they say take money to your hand, take anything that you want to protect and protect you and your family and your community and your neighbor. Because when we are waiting for government, at the end of the day, they will wipe up the whole community. Can you imagine four community invaded 20 key, and where is the government? Where is the government? Where, see, now, see, the power here lie on the president, because at the end of the day, the government will tell you that, okay, na power from above. Who's power from above? Okay, Makinde the other day, when you walk in, Makinde say 10 kilometers away, they are coming, and now they are already established. They say they have many camps in the Yoruba land. See, they say, I read one thing yesterday somewhere, somebody give me a phone. Satan Sokoto, he say Fulani estimate to capture Nigeria, I know reach 1 week. But the problem of them, they all start with now Igbo. Igbo? Yes. You see that language, and I sit down, and I remember, and I memory, and I say, okay, Igbo, because Igbo are lion more than them. Yoruba, they take things granted always. The neighbor say that me they are poor and you, but you know that at the end of the day, you see, they will kill people unnecessarily. See, every day, okay. You see, forget that this same Ondo, it was the creature of Ojukwu. So it's a base, it's a headquarters, and there they relax. So the government, see, Akeredolu was a turn to their flesh. At the end, the president, you know, say the president man there. Yeah. Fulani are bastard human beings. They wicked, they get wicked. See, if we wake up our eye, we will close and when they will finish us with the Sarah. Then we could change them for them. You see, we are you. We have the capacity. Don't wait for any government official anymore. Because government, if you watch the time, the memory line, government deal with them. See, they get information more than me and you now. Why will somebody come here and stay? You give him a space to live peacefully. At the end of the day, you now have sophisticated weapon that you not kill you at any time. And we are clapping, saying that government will come do and federal. See, don't wait anymore. Let our youth come outside massively and tell Nigeria that enough is enough of killing of Fulani herdsmen in our different communities. We are tired of them. We are tired of them now. You see, the president now, because of the body language of the 2027, you see what is happening now. Everybody now want to do election. They want to forget about our life. See, their days are numbered, all of them.
So what do you think the South governor and the Southwest, you know, Southwest governor recently, they had a meeting, you know, among themselves, the 6 Southwest governor. But, you know, up to now, we've not gotten anything meaningful from that meeting. This thing that they've won them.
You see, let me tell you, see, you say Southwest. That is where we are here. They make a meeting. But I say they make a meeting. Okay, what is the outcome? See the lesson they throw for the meeting now. Those say that meeting, they never key like this. See, say one say, see, Fulani would like to do something. Fulani no will retaliate. He will give you some long distance. So now we go give ourselves long distance to acquire the information and safeguard our territory before they throw away. See, they throw away now. Before 20 die, you know how many people die? Can you imagine that kind of casualty? Before government will not mention 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20 dead. How many when one uncountable house is destroyed?
And we don't even know.
Why? See, it's time we are playing with our life and our identity and our future. You see, it's time we do away with this type of political talk. Let us stand and say enough is enough. Let us communicate and police our community. Because now youth never be visual tomorrow. They go relax, say, now lie, wake up and fight for your rights. It's your fundamental human right. Protect yourself. Don't wait for any government. Because let me tell you one thing. The real truth now is that don't wait for government to say you want to call police, so you take law into your hand. Days are gone when you go say take push law until they finish your community. See, the president particularly have a long way to play here now. But now, because he want to be your gakata forever and ever, he's shifting hand. You know, don't you know say shifting hand? He's shifting hand now. If you bring in hand reality, while I not go do like this. I don't know what they like this now. Now for your village, they keep now. You are killing people your region now. And you say you want to be 2027. They march PDP, they march Labour, they want to turn everybody to APC to win, and you are killing your people every day.